frames, the wooden architraves. You get 3 choice chandelier choices if you're doing a double story. You also get to choose your downlighters, which is black, white, or silver. This is our...
These are the shower fixings, the bathroom?
Our sandway.
Yes. And this is the tiles here for what, the kitchen, bathroom, or what?
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
You can choose two types of tiles.
Okay.
So while we demonstrate our show house, so that you can see our quality. So including in your package, we've added a 3 kVA battery inverter pack.
Nice.
Lithium battery. You get an electric geyser, which is solar fitted with solar panels. You get the Bosch gas stove top, electric oven, and then an extractor fan, and you get a 1,500 litre backup Jojo water tank with a pump.
Nice.
Which that's standard.
Okay.
Because we're living in South Africa.
Right. You have to have that.
It's essential.
Yeah.
You'll notice that our floor to ceiling height is 2.7 meters.
3.7 meters? Okay.
2.7.
2.7.
Yes. Downstairs and upstairs.
And upstairs, okay.
We do an ST2 cornicing just to finish the product off very nicely.
Nice. This is the crowning, right?
Yes.
The molding, I think.
Correct, the molding. We also do rhino lighting on the walls, so it's a nice smooth finish. And this is our example and our choice selections.
Nice.
Because we own this with the white tiles, and we resonated with a little bit more of a grey matte on the outside.
Okay, and this is the electricity, right? How you pay for yours, prepaid, right?
So you decide whether you want prepaid or metered electricity.
Metered, okay.
All our fees are inclusive of architect, engineer, council submission for your plan, and NHBRC enrollment, which is the National Regulatory Guide for builders.
Okay.
20,000 secures your stand. So once you choose a stand, we can secure the stand and then you choose a building design.
Okay.
However, if your land pocket's big enough, we will be able to add a 4th bedroom, staff accommodation, and articulate the design.
Nice.
I'll give you 3 wishes.
Okay. And how many rooms is this one?
All our designs are 3 bedrooms,
3 bedrooms,
2 bathrooms, double garaging. Biden, the one that we have, which is the 2-bed, 2-bath, double carport. Okay. As an introduction.
Nice.
Depending on your land pocket and design, I'll add in a built-in braai.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yes. So
outdoor when
of course, we in Africa, so we love to barbecue or braai.
Oh yeah, we call it barbecue, but
US we call it barbecue.
Yeah. I like braai too, as long as it tastes good.
So our signature technique is a Tyrolean stipple effect on all exterior walls.
Nice.
Adds a nice finish. It's modern. It's low maintenance. Being full title, you have to look after your own exterior.
Right. Okay.
And grass.
And grass. Okay.
We plant grass wherever there's not paving, but we also include paving leading up to your door and in front of your garage. We've also included the cladding.
Like this.
With a nice contemporary look and feel.
Yes.
And obviously you get 1 garden gate. If you want another one, we can cost you for it.
And so it would be a brick gate that would build with a maybe metal.
There,
yeah.
Or you can have, like some people have on this side here.
Okay.
It just invariably depends. If you're having pets, great to have an extra gate.
Exactly.
We also have external lights that surround the house. We supply the gas reticulation, but not the gas bottles.
Oh, okay.
We have to supply, or we can supply that for you.
And this is the 2-car port garage. Yeah. Double car.
Double garage. All our doors are semi-wooden, solid semi-solid wood. That is the nice heavy. Welcome to look upstairs.
Inset lighting, you can track lighting.
Track lighting, you get to choose black or white. The downlighters, you get to choose silver, black or white.
Okay.
The bathrooms upstairs, every design differs.
Okay.
But that's just an example of a built-in bath and a freestanding bath.
A freestanding bath, okay.
If your design allows for a full bathroom and as an ensuite, you get a freestanding bath. You're welcome to have a look upstairs.
Okay, thank you so
much.
much.
You get to choose for a selection of built-in cupboards.
Yeah, I like this.
You get to choose.
Okay, let's start with the bathroom. Okay. So far, nice. Nice deep tub here. Yeah, I like the paint job in here. I like these windows. Boom. Gotta stop saying boom. There we go. Nice cupboard space, good. Room for shelves. And then your shelving. Good. Okay, this looks like the master bedroom. Got a nice little balcony there. Let's check out the master bath here, okay. His and her sinks. There we go, let me move this out the way. Boom. It's a good little starter house, I like it.
Where is your combination leaning towards? You mix and match it up.
Nice. And so far as being a foreigner,
Yes.
and then I heard you need to put down like at least
50%.
50%.
Yes.
Okay. And it was, I just rounded off to 3 million?
Yes.
Okay. And that's for the plot, everything. Okay.
Everything, all inclusive. Like you see the house now, that's how you get it. Except the furniture, obviously.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yes.
Furniture not included.
Not included, not at this stage. Yes. It's a manageable garden because obviously if you're traveling a lot, it's a nice lock up and go. It's spacious enough. So all the way on this side of the wall, you'll get this enforced retainer which doubles up into either herb garden,
Okay.
serving suggestion.
Yeah, the
Yes.
braai area maybe.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And this is for your,
For the gas.
for the gas.
Yes. So we don't supply we can supply the cage,
Right.
but we do the brickwork and the gas reticulation with 2 valves.
Okay.
Yes.
And what are the what's the significance of having 2 valves?
You
Or
get
just double up?
2 bottles.
Okay.
You never know. You might run out, and then I always say it's an air
Oh,
and a spare.
okay, I got you. An air, okay.
Yeah.
And then here's your
The
lovely
water tank,
JoJo tank
that
here.
comes with the water pump, but not a water filtration system. But
Okay.
it's, yeah. You can put a water filtration system, but you know, I don't deem it as necessary.
And this would be a spot for a sink for maybe outdoor things,
So,
or
no, this is for this.
oh, for that.
So,
Okay.
yes, yeah. So once the pump goes on, it feeds into the filtration, into the main system.
Into the main system.
Yeah.
Okay. That's the master bath. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So it's a stunning product. You get a 5-year warranty. Get your 3-month snagging period once you move in.
Okay.
Obviously being a brand new house. And then you get your 1-year electrical warranty.
Okay.
So,
Nice. Okay, thank you so much.
it's a pleasure.
All right, this is a brand new development. Freestanding homes. Security gate, very common here in Africa. Here in South Africa as well. Very good location. I can see the Mall of Africa over there in the background. And that's Price Waterhouse Cooper. That building way over there. Yeah, there it is. Yep. Okay, so I want to do this more. This is one of my favorite things to do. I love looking at new homes. And yeah, I would like to bring you along on the journey. And also too, for my people who are coming from different countries and you would like to view a house but you can't get here. You can't be here for it. So this is what I propose for you. I would like to be that guide for you. Okay? I'll show you the home. I'll get to be there live with you via WhatsApp. You know, most people have WhatsApp nowadays. We can do it that way. And yeah, and we'll probably do some PayPal, Cash App if you're from America, PayPal, or whatever your flavor is, okay? Whatever your choice. And yeah, I think we got something going on here. Yeah, other than that, please like, subscribe, share. If you're thinking about living here, I could pick the neighborhood. I'll check it out for you. All right, take care.
Bye.